The first video from the brand new Sacred Oath album is for the track Counting Zeros, which I believe happens to be the first single, if I am not mistaken. Yeah. And for the sake of the audience who's going to get a chance to see this right now, why don't you bring us into the process of making the video, because I understand it was rather frigid.
Yeah. Well, we shot that video outside in February in New England. So and I think it was a wind chill.
24 degrees.
Yeah, with a wind chill of 14. So, and you can imagine that filming a video takes hours. So we were basically outside in some degree for 14 hours in a 14-degree wind chill.
The band,
and
the crew,
yeah,
the actors.
It was hard. It was harder on the crew. The poor camera lady with her thumb wouldn't function properly.
Are you method actors? Did that lend to the performances in the video?
You know, I think it did contribute, because it just, you had to kind of harden up for the whole thing. But and it is in a sense a hard video. I mean, the topic of the video is, and I think it's ideal for us that this is airing for the first time on Memorial Weekend. It's just really. Consider it our contribution to remembering what the soldiers, our soldiers, American soldiers, have died fighting for, and how important it is for us as civilians to keep our eye on the ball here at home, because between the being misled into a war in Iraq and then the complete demise of our economy, this is our statement on that. We have a whole generation of kids coming up now that are totally disillusioned on what's going on in this country, and we just want to remind people that you've got a voice and you got to stand up and you got to speak that voice.
What was the determination for this to actually be the first video and the first single from the record?
Well, interestingly enough, that was iTunes' choice.
Really?
Yeah, iTunes approached us and wanted to choose a song off the record as a Discovery Download of the Week, and they chose Counting Zeros. So when you've got a song being chosen to be the Discovery Download on iTunes, it's going to get a minimum of 300,000 downloads. That's your first video. There's just really no choice. But I was very happy about that, as Kenny can tell you, because it's my favorite song on the record. For many reasons. It's a mature song for us. It's not the kind of song that many bands are willing to take a risk and put forth. And lyrically, it really sums up the mission of the record, the whole point of the record. This is addressing this disillusionment that's really just rampant in society right now with all that's going on in our country and our world, and so it was a good fit.
In hindsight, it almost sounds like that would have been your choice if you were making the choice for the first song and video.
Yeah, it probably would be, because I think it's a very accessible song. But I can tell you, for our next video, we'll probably go for Bloodstorm.
Why is that?
Well, it's the most popular song on iTunes right now. And that's
most popular Sacred Oath song on iTunes, or just in general the most popular song on iTunes?
Yeah, no, well, that would be great. But no, it's the most popular Sacred Oath download right now is Bloodstorm, and we're very happy with that song. That's, it's a special song for us. It's the first collaboration between Kenny and I, and we're really happy with how that song came out. It's just a metal song, and we're looking forward to doing a video about that. But Counting Zeros is, well, check it out.